In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer app from Lovable to Base44. We'll walk through the built-in migration flow so your existing Lovable app lands in Base44 with code versioned in GitHub and your data connections ready to go. Before we start, make sure you have access to Base4. You can use your GitHub account with it, and you have your Supabase project URL and service role key ready. We won't share any sensitive values here. Keep those private and secure. Open your browser and head to app.base4.com. When your workspace loads, go to Home on the left-hand menu. This is the central place for starting projects and migrations. In the main area, look for the plus icon and click it to open creation options. Choose Migrate from another platform to tell Base44 you're bringing in an existing app rather than starting from scratch. If Lovable isn't immediately visible, click Show More to expand the full list of sources. Select Lovable so Base44 can tailor the import to that platform structure. Then click Continue to move into the connection and configuration stage. Now verify that Base44 is connected to your GitHub account. This is important because the migration will create or update a repository for your code and wire up automated deployments. If the interface shows you're not connected, authorize GitHub when prompted, then return to the migration screen. Next, provide your data configuration. In the Supabase URL field, paste your exact project URL from your Supabase settings. Double check that there are no extra spaces and that you're using the correct project and environment, such as production versus staging. Then enter the Supabase service role key. Handle this like any other secret. Do not paste it into public chats or screenshots, and do not embed it in client-side code. In Base44, store it in the secure environment or secrets section so it's available only to your server-side processes. If you rotate this key in Supabase later, remember to update it here to keep deployments healthy. With those details in place, the migration can map your Lovable configuration, sync your app's code to GitHub, and set up your project in Base44. Give it a moment to run. When it finishes, review any logs or summaries on screen to confirm your repository was created, environment variables are set, and there are no warnings that need attention. And that's it. You've transferred your app from Lovable to Base44 using the guided migration, with GitHub managing your code and Supabase powering your data.